In this video, we'll show you how to install wall molding, including tips to make the installation go smoothly. Wall molding, also referred to as ceiling or perimeter molding, is an important first step for your suspended ceiling. This molding sets the height of your drop ceiling and supports the perimeter tiles. Consider the following items when determining your molding location: ceiling obstructions, lighting, ease of access, and hanger hardware. Wall molding is typically installed no less than 3 inches below the bottoms of joists, drywall, or the lowest obstruction for the following reasons. More space means easier installation and removal of tile, provides space for light fixtures, and provides necessary space needed to tie hanger wire. Mark your desired ceiling height on the wall. Measure the height of your molding and make a second mark that is that distance above the first mark. Project a horizontal line all the way around the room at this height. Using a laser level is the easiest way, but using a carpenter's level and pencil or chalk line will also work. With the walls marked, lift a piece of wall molding out to the line and attach it with fasteners appropriate for your type of wall. Pre-drilling the molding is not required, but it will make the installation easier. Molding should be attached to the wall every 24 inches. Inside corners should be created by overlapping the 2 pieces of wall molding and cutting a miter on the lower piece. Outside corners should be overlapped, but involve a few more steps. Continue attaching the molding around the room. Always butt factory-cut edges together for the best finished visual. For complete details, please review the full set of installation instructions.